Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to disappear in the box. So let's do this. First, record yourself where you are dropping the box. Then take a photo of the background where you are recording. Open the KineMaster and select the aspect of the video, and then go to the media and select the video that you want to edit. Select the video and then just find the area that you are dropping the box. Just drop it right where you're dropping the box, and then go to the layer and go to the photos and choose a white background. Make it green, change its color to the green, and then make it bigger like that, and then just follow what I'm doing. After that, just hide the remaining part of the box, then drag the background toward the video up to where you want to hide your video. Then go back to the beginning and select the background and go to the key and just follow the box by dragging the background toward the box. It will hide the remaining part of the box, the upper part of the box. Just keep doing that until it reaches the ground. Just keep doing it. Once it reaches the ground, then that's it. Then that's how it will look like. Then after that, save the video and close the KineMaster. Open the KineMaster again and go to the media and go to the photo and select the background where you recorded the video. Make the length of the photo bigger like that, and then go to the layer and select the video that you just saved, and then make it matches to the background photo, and the video has to matches like that. After that, go to the green color, like where you're dropping the box, and select the video and go to the chroma key. Enable the chroma key and go to the key color and use the recently used color. Select that. After that, select adjust the color correction like that. Then drag the background according to video like that. So that's how it will look like now. After that, save the video and then see the result.